Alrighty, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this. This is just going to be a quick video. We got a load. We're not going to pick it up till tomorrow. We are still at the house, as you can tell. We got an unboxing we're going to do. I picked up something that I needed that's going to help me out. And so let's get to it.
Oh, yeah.
Alrighty, guys, we're back. Alright, that's what we got. We got it from Mytee Products. It's something that I need for the truck. So, let's get it open here and see what we got going on. I know it's not really anything major, but it's going to help me out. They had it on sale, so we picked it up. Got the pole. And the edge protector. Now this is going to come in handy. So now, I'm going to put it together here. Maybe. Alright. And boom, there. Now we got that. Of course, you got where it expands. Pull these up. Right there. You expand it this way. Then you lock it. Then you expand it this way. And you lock it. So now I can't open it. I can't show you what it looks like completely open because I can't let it stand up. So let's get the camera. Alrighty. Didn't mean to show my fat gut. I apologize, guys. Alright, let's turn this camera around. Okay. So there it is from there. To get a rough idea. Here's my counter. That's good. That's like 10 feet. So that's awesome. Like I said, here's Maxie. Maxie, say hi, everybody. Hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Oh, boy. And there's the wifey. Okay. Busy. She thinks she's too busy to talk to YouTube. I don't know what's up with that. She doesn't know about YouTube, huh, people? All right. So that was one product that we got. We got some other stuff that we're ordering. So now this is compact. So now John will just learn how to use it and we'll be all set. Shouldn't be that hard. As my wife says, if there's instructions, you should read it. What man reads instructions? You know? Then it comes in a little box. I had to walk and get the product because John's fat fingers typed in the wrong address. Tried to go down to the neighbors and get it. Well, my wife grabbed it because I didn't want to get caught for stealing. So, comes with the instructions. I mean, come on, it's fairly easy to understand. So, now that's what we got for the unboxing. And I am recording on the new iPhone 16. Let me know how the quality is. I do have batteries and a head strap for the GoPro. So we're gonna get that going. And so we have a load picking up tomorrow. We're gonna leave here in a little while, and then we will catch up with the next load. So I thank you guys for watching. And if you liked the video, let me know. Whenever I get something that has to do with edge protectors on, I'll do a video on using this. Because I do have some edge protectors ordered. I got the real long ones, and then the medium, and then a couple small ones. So we'll be all set. So thank you guys for watching, liking, and subscribing. And like I said, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up to let me know. And we will talk with you guys tomorrow. Alrighty. Bye-bye.